Hey guys, BrickQueen here with some really cool news to share with you guys. So I just read on a USA Today article that there's actually sort of a replacement to ToysRUS coming soon, which I thought was really interesting. However, it's not going to be permanent. If you guys are at all familiar with Party City, that's who's behind it. They're going to create little kind of pop-up toy stores. There's going to be about 50 of them just during like the Christmas holiday season. They're going to open them up around September and then through the end of the holiday season. Like I said, there's going to be about 50 of them. They're going to call them Toy Cities. From what I read in the article, it sounds like they're going to go along with the Halloween cities that they do. I guess they're also pop-up little stores kind of, and I think I may have seen one around me, one of the Halloween ones last year. I didn't go to it, but I think I saw one. I think I drove past and saw one or something, so I'm hoping that is what I'm thinking it is, so that I get the chance to go to that or whatever. But I thought that was really cool. And just real quick, I have to give a shout out to Brick Show TV, because if he had not tweeted that article out, I would not have seen the information about it. But I thought it was really cool, and I just had to share it with you guys. I am just on my lunch break right now, which is why I'm inside, and it looked totally different than what you guys where you guys normally see me at. But I had to stop for a minute and do this video for you guys. I was wanting to go live today during lunch, but I just ran out of time, so I just had a few minutes to stop to do this video with you guys. But anyway, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. Something else I read in that article is that JCPenney and Kohl's are both gonna start stocking more toys, so that's always good to hear. Oh, and I don't know for sure if these toy cities are gonna have Lego or not. That we're gonna have to wait and see. The article did mention Hasbro and Mattel, so I'm thinking if Hasbro and Mattel are on board, Lego will probably get on board, but we'll have to wait and see. Anyway, I think it's a great idea. I look forward to visiting the stores and seeing what all they have. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell for notifications, and I will see you guys later.